Hi everybody, I'm Artist Mark Foltz here. I took you outdoors here to show you one of my newest abstracts in the works. I'm finishing up these two right here. I'm going to go ahead and finish them a little bit so you can see what I'm doing with spray paint. And I'll talk about it more on the channel later, but right now, check me out as I finish these pieces up. This is what it is. This is what it entails. Right now I'm going to shadow the edges with a little bit of bronze. And I got to do it very carefully because I want to make it blended. Kind of covering up that sea green a little bit, but that's okay because that's what I want. Okay, I don't want to kill all my blue off, and we're going to do different states here, so there you go. See that? That's kind of where I'm at with that. And then what I'll do, now that I got a nice dark color there, I got a little bit of this copper piece here, and this spray's all messed up. The head on this is messed up, but it drizzles real cool, so watch. So kind of spitting. Can you see that? Kind of cool. It gave me an edge here. These are so unique, one of a kind pieces. I created these and no one else has them. So okay, so there's another stage, and now what I'm going to do is hit it with some silver, and this will give me high ends. I don't know if you can see it or not, but I'm going to get this, it'll pull out the textures and give them kind of a sheen. See that? It's giving kind of a metallic feel. I'll go to the next one. Okay, you just want to lightly dust that so just you can see that nice shine. Now, again, I got to layer it. So I'm going to get some gold now. Gold spray paint, and it's going to get a little bit of gold feeling to it here. Same thing, it's going to dull it down a little bit though. Adds a little gold to it, see? You gotta kind of be careful, you don't want to overdo it. Or, I don't want to overdo it. Okay, there you go. See that? Now I'm going to redarken it a little bit more before I finalize it here. Ooh, I'm getting bit by a wasp here. Shit. Anyways. Now I'm going to darken that edge again. Really dark on the edges. Close it in. We'll be on the bottom. Get that edge really good. Oop, I'm running out of paint here. We'll be on the bottom. Kind of anchors it a little when you do that. And then I'll do a little bit on top. It's looking pretty good. Okay, and I'm going to spray a little bit more copper on there. I want to kill all the little spots here. Wake it up just a little bit more. And there you have it, guys. Peace out. Thanks for watching. Foltz Art, baby.